Today we are doing a get ready with me tutorial using very little products and under 8 minutes. Yes, today I'm in another hotel area and then we have our own little balcony here. Awesome view. We're on the 15th floor of this hotel. So you can see the beautiful scenery behind. So now I'm gonna get do like a little bit get ready. So this is what I normally do, like really when I'm going on vacation. So this will be my tutorial regarding quick makeup when you are traveling. All right, so let's get started, guys. So first off, mascara. Yes, I normally put on mascara ahead of time before I put on my makeup. Why? Because I can layer up after I put on my foundation. So it's just a little bit easier that way. Alright. Let's try on lipstick. So this is the Maybelline lipstick. So I normally just like to use soft colors when you're going out, because especially for the morning it helps you to feel a bit more refreshed. And then I'm going to use Almay Anti-Aging SPF 20, and then the color that I'm using is 100 light, because I have really well, I feel like I have really light skin. I'm not sure. They're not like focusing on me. I wonder why. It's light. You know, I gotta do with what I can in here. Alright. So I don't normally use a blender when I go out. Why? Because the more the less I pack, the better. Because you know, reduce the amount of weight and things that I can take along with me. Because the more I pack, the heavier it is, and then I have to bring and then I have to remember what to pack, you know, and then what to bring home, yada yada yada. So it's better if I just pack light and less, so then, you know, I don't have to worry about like a lot of items later on when I unpack or repack. It's just better to travel light anyways, you know. It's better, like, I mean, if you're home or whatever, then you can just do whatever, but when you're traveling, I feel like it's better to just bring a little bit. So this is a really light makeup. It has a very light coverage. So even if you're going out, especially if you're not going like near Anaheim area, Disneyland, whatever, if you walk around the park and you sweat, it's good to just have like a light layer of makeup. So if you sweat off your makeup, you will still look a little normal. So if you put a heavy on full on face of makeup, and when your makeup like melted, it's gonna look funny. So that's it. Just that light makeup. What if I shave? So now I'm just gonna wash my hands. And obviously, so this is the soap that they give us here. You can see Rice Bran Oil Soap Bar, orange and tangerine smell. Kind of nice. So that's the water. That's me turning on the water. Yes. Wash your hands. Okay, what else did they give me here? Body wash by Fallon thing. I don't know how to pronounce this. And they also give us this aromatherapy conditioner, lotion, shampoo. Alright, so now I'm just going to lightly put on foundation by S&M. This is a fairly inexpensive brand. It costs very little, like $1. I'm serious, guys. Like sometimes I found all this like really super cheap brand, and it just somehow worked on my face. Maybe because I have like combination skin that is somewhat oily but not too oily. So when I put things on my face, it just kind of like stick, and I don't have to like, you know, buy all this expensive stuff. But sometimes I do like to buy expensive stuff, you know, it makes you feel all good and nice, like, reward yourself. But then again, if something works and it's really inexpensive, why not, you know? Save yourself some money so you can spend it on a nice place. All right, so that's what's else. I already did my lashes. Okay, so now we're just gonna put on like a primer, eye primer. So just, again, I'm just using my fingers. If you guys are wondering, like, you know, I don't have sponge. I mean, I do have I do bring brushes with me, you know, for eyeshadow is really important. But actually, you know what? Today I'm gonna do like a no brush or anything challenge. So we're just gonna do makeup without a brush, just use my fingers. So this is the color Maze. Last time I used this for the all natural makeup. I'm just gonna use this right here for my highlights, this color right here. Okay, so I'm just gonna use my finger, rub it on. So you can see, like, you can already see like the highlights going on pretty well. And you can see that this is pretty nasty because I bring it everywhere with me and I use it a lot. So you can see how I, like, you know, it's well used. Like, seriously well used. Just a little dab in the eye corner right here. And then the middle finger is with a medium color on the outside, 2/3 of the eye. You see? There you go. Yeah, I think this is like seriously, like, if you're really busy, this is all you need, and you just go out. And you know, I've been talking and not fast forwarding with you guys or anything. I don't know if I'm looking at the right camera. But anyway, so you see how I'm just talking with you guys, and this is just only 7 minutes, and look how quick I am with this. And so I think with the little practice, you guys can just do this really quickly. If you, it's not even just for traveling. Like, let's just say you're going to work. This will be just, this is gonna be like such a quick and easy do. And that's it, you're done, ta-da! All right guys, so this complete our 7 minutes and 52 seconds, or 53 seconds, plus or minus a little, maybe half, 30 seconds, because I'm doing like an introduction and also an ending. So thank you for watching, you guys. So this is just our quick little makeup tutorial for going out, going to travel, or even like a quick makeup in the morning. So I haven't even fast forwarded the video, and it's just like 8-ish minutes. All right, bye guys. So these are my outfit that I brought for this trip that I would be wearing for my purse review.